This is Mitch McCafferty. He built this railroad switchback. He's demonstrating how to come down. He's coming down a 15% grade. If you notice behind him, the post sets up on a paid Forest Service road. Then he's gonna hit the first railroad switchback where they'll just pull straight forward and then back up. Log trucks will do this in reverse order, of course. Now he's going to be coming back onto a 7% grade. And log trucks have hauled, I think we had 38 loads come out of here with, no problems whatsoever. And so this would be one that the loaded trucks would come out. We put a little bit of a curve in it just to add a little difficulty, but that wasn't on purpose because of the situation. And then here he's at the critical turnaround where a loaded log truck would have to maneuver to get his trailer aimed in the right direction. Now he's coming back down a 15% grade. To a standard switchback. We'll wait for him to reappear. And here he comes back in. So that is how you come in on the railroad switchback.